Sweetie, what's the matter?
I'm so sad, Gran.
Why?
Because I want to stay with you at Christmas, but we go away with Mum, Dad and Max.
Where are you going to?
We are going to Indonesia. Is it we go for 1 week or we are going for 1 week?
We are going for 1 week.
Oh, but you mean you're going for 1 week?
No, I'm coming too.
Yay!
Yay!
Woohoo!
We're flying from Gatwick Airport. We're renting a beautiful house in Bali. And most importantly, we're celebrating Christmas together. You, me, Mum, Dad and Max.
I'm taking my favourite hat to wear in Indonesia.
You don't have to take a hat to Indonesia. We're going to the beach.
I'm taking a hat so that Max can't play with my hair.
Ah, I see.